and today I've come up very interesting topic for you, which is most crucial for everyone those who are using a MacBook, especially M2 Pro, because in this M2 you cannot use the VirtualBox or VMware for installation of Linux. Therefore, I thought that this is a so much crucial video for them, those who are stuck with it. So no worry about it. I'm here to resolve your issue. I have found the ways to how to get and install Red Hat Linux, Enterprise Linux in your MacBook M2 Pro, and it will applicable to all MacBook devices. So you don't need to worry about it. I will show you how will I completely install a Red Hat Linux on a virtualization environment using UTM. It's a Apple official virtualization software if I am not wrong. So I personally tested this first before making this video and it works amazing, and you won't believe it. It's not kind of a parallel software who gives you a limited time trial period. However, in this, you don't have a specific time period or trial period for using this software. I thought it's an unlimited, because until now I did not find any trial period. So let's get started. So first you have to first you must have to install UTM by going to Google. Just write it Google, and on the search bar you have to write UTM download. Okay, for Mac. Once you click on it, very top on the page, on the top of the results, after searching on Google, you will find UTM virtual machine for Mac. You can just click over here. Once you click on it, it will take you to this screen. So you just have to click on download. Once you download it, you will have an option to open it. As I already download, that's why I did not click on download button. So remember, you have to download, so then it will keep start working. After that, just click on a UTM and it will open it like this. So I already installed a Linux in UTM. Now I would like to install another Red Hat Linux for you to get to know and understanding how it will install in the UTM. So please watch the complete steps to get to know how to install a Red Hat Linux, because if you miss any step it will get you in trouble and you will be stuck at somewhere. Okay, so therefore I personally suggest you please watch entire video to get each and everything done perfectly, and you would enjoy it. Believe me, you will enjoy it. So first what we have to do, just click on a plus icon. As you can see, there is an icon called similar to plus. Just click over here and then go to the virtualize. Yes, we are going to virtualize. We are creating a virtual machine for Linux. And yes, it will ask you for a pre-configuration operating. No, we are not looking forward to install Mac OS as we already had. No, we don't want to install Windows. Yes, we do want to install a Linux. So here it will ask you for a boot ISO image file. So remember, you must have a Red Hat Linux ISO file, which I believe I have. Let me show you. Okay, and the version must be in ARC64. Remember, you must have a version ARC64. It will found on your Red Hat Linux account, Red Hat account. So you can go to your Red Hat account and download this specific version for running on this machine, ARC64, as I have already the latest version with me. So I would like to install this. Okay, so you can just click on browse once you did that. And yes, we have yeah, yes, got it. Red Hat Enterprise Linux, it's a short form, and it's a ARC64 for a Mac version. Just click on open. Once you did that, click on continue. It will ask you for a memory version. I will assign almost, okay, 35. You can assign it out accordingly according to the space, and I would like to make Red Hat Linux 2 because it's my second virtual machine. Therefore I would write it here too for my remember. You can leave it or either write it, it's your choice. Click on save. Once you did that, Once you did that, you can see there is a Red Hat Linux too. Just click over it on the play icon button. Okay, and as you can see our iOS image file visible here on the CD or DVD because we are installing through this. Just click on play button. Once you did that, the UTM machine will open. Just wait for a while to get start, and the Red Hat Linux installation will begin. Just click on the uh, first section, install Red Hat Linux 9, and just press and enter. Once you did that, it will take you to the setup mode. I thought I have to make this screen larger. It start installation process, right? Here we go. That's all we are looking for and struggling for, how to get installed Red Hat Linux interface. Yes, we did it. Finally, we are on the installation process. Just click on an English, and secondly, you have to click on a continue button. As you can see here down the after selection your language, either it's United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and whatever country you are belongs to, so you can choose accordingly. Okay, so I have select United States because it's an standard, and click on continue, and it will ask you for the keyboard. Yes, we are using an English version. We don't need to configure this. Yes, we have to configure this. We are going to install is 35 GB. Yes, yes, I hope you remembered meanwhile configuration we assign the 35 GB hard disk to them. Okay, so that's the that hard disk it is showing here. Once you click on it, it will highlight it in a blue section, and just click on done. No need to touch anything. Okay, and once you did that, you an server installation or server GPU installation. I would like to go with server with GUI. It's your choice with selection which you are looking for. Okay, it shows again, so click again and done. Checking, and yes, it's done. So you have to click you have to make a root passport. I would like to make this passport. You can do it accordingly. Let me write it again. Okay, so sounds good, and just click on done. Okay, then you have to, I believe though we don't need to create a user, right? We won't touch your disk until you begin the installation. Okay, so we have to create a user from Amir Ashraf and given the password. Then okay, done. And finally it will show you the begin installation process. You just click on the begin installation once you configure each and everything, and boom, and get start installation. Once it complete, it will show you system reboot, and finally your Windows, oh sorry, your Linux will be installed successfully. And as you can see, it's a latest MacBook. It's M2 Pro, so therefore its installation is quite fast, I believe. It takes some time. Hope you will love this video and it will helpful for you. I know there are a lot of channels and plenty of channels are there who mentioned that you can install Linux on your MacBook M2, but I don't think so. Someone's provide you a solution like this, like I am providing you, and it's so much easy and convenient for you. And I have given you complete overview about how it will install Red Hat Linux. And Along with that, I guide you each step by step how to configure and how to install. So hope you would love this video, and subscribe my channel as well for this technical videos. It will helpful for you in future as well. Just wait for a minute. It take quite few minutes to get installed. Once you are, I believe you are just nearest to your destination, which you are curious about it, and this is something make you unhappy. And I know you are so much curious to know how to get it installed Red Hat Linux, and there are plenty of YouTube channels who did not provide you the correct way like I am providing. They are give you can install through a virtual box, VM Future. There are plenty of workstations are over there, but unfortunately it is not working on M2 version, M2 MacBook. I personally tested this, that's why I am telling you. So after researching and doing some work and technical research, I found a UTM machine, the bestest machine for this, for making a virtualization of Red Hat Linux. And remember, you have to install Red Hat Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Along with that, the Arc version that I had show you in the video. So you must have that version, so it will work perfectly. Don't go for the 64 boot or something else option, otherwise it will won't work and you will get it stuck, and all the time you will thinking about that, why is it not working for me, it must work as we are showing in the video. So remember, in this video I have showed you the version I am using. It's an Arc. Okay, so I believe I should add the drive version, so you can get it download the Red Hat Linux from there as well. I thought I did not add right now, but once I have enough space in my Google Drive, so I definitely add the link in the description below, so you can download directly from there, or either you can download it through your Red Hat account. Okay, it's almost installed. Okay, finally we did it. Yes, as you can see, we have an option over here, a reboot system. So just click it on a reboot, and that's worked. Now the new Linux is waiting for you. So actually, this version is showing. You can see that you are amazed to see that it's again showing the installed Red Hat Linux. So what we have to do, just turn off the machine. Okay, close. Go to UTM, and you can remove from there. Just make sure you just select the clear option from here. Otherwise, they will continuously ask you for the installation and installation. Then click on run. Once you click on run, it will get start. Yes, it will automatically get start. Finally, you did it, man. You all did it, and you must be happy with that. How quickly we did that each and everything, right? Here we go. Yes, we have to provide our logins. This- And guess what? This few seconds of wait. Here we go. We have successfully installed Red Hat Linux in a MacBook using an UTM machine. No thanks if you are beginner, so you can do it. As you can see, Linux has been installed successfully. You can run the show applications, terminal. Yes, close it. So I hope you would like this video and enjoy it as well. So keep subscribe my channel, and you will get amazing updates. Okay, thanks you. And just I would like to turn off this machine. That's how we install a Red Hat Enterprise Linux in a UTM machine. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye. And keep subscribe my channel to to watch the most amazing videos like this. And I hope it will help you a lot. Those who are struggling with it. So have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.